My video guide is about removing the ransomware type infection called Ckae. Ckae. This ransomware belongs to the Djvu ransomware family. Before the ransomware attack, it is not a problem to open any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documentation. Unfortunately, this Ckae ransomware may be easily injected into the system, and then pretty soon customers realize that something really bad has happened with their data and that they cannot use the data anymore. Normally, the results of the ransomware attack are visible after people restart their computers. So after they turn their computers or restart them again, they suddenly realize that something really bad and extraordinary has occurred with their data and that they cannot use their data anymore. You can clearly see that this special Ckae extension has been added to the files, and it is impossible to open these files. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom, of course, doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored. First thing we recommend you to do is to go to the task manager of your computer, then look for the suspicious processes which could be running in the background. If you find their presence, right-click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. To make sure that this ransomware is effectively deleted, I recommend scanning your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus and anti-ransomware. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the program through this green button, install the software, and then start carefully investigating your system. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting all sorts of ransomware type threats. Initially, the quick scan is available. Click on Start Scan button. You can clearly see that the program begins researching your system. It will then give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. Combo Cleaner has got the premium version, which has the anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So at the end of scan, as I said, you will see the summary of threats. Even though you might consider removing some of these threats manually, we strongly advise upgrading to Premium in order to delete these threats altogether and automatically and have your system always protected against malware attacks in the future.